नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि मध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shrimahans, Mahants, Tanedar, Kotari, everyone sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Facebook Live, YouTube Live and two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha all over the world. Cities sitting with us is a long list, so I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Today, Skandasashti Mahotsavam, 6th day, the main day, Lord Subramanya, Kartikeya, completion of Sadashiva, completed his avataric mission, fulfilled the avataric mission of slaying the demon Surabhatma, Tarakasura, the demons of those days who were harassing Devatas and enlightened beings, Rishis and Munis, were destroyed by Kartikeya and Subramanya, Skanda, Kartikeya, Subramanya, Skanda, who is completion of Sadashiva himself. The story is beautiful. Story, he destroys those demons and transforms those energies, makes them as his vehicle and victory flag. The attack done on him, he transforms that itself as a brand for him after victory, after his victory. He conquers and converts the attack into a powerful energies to support him. He is today gracing with 12 hands on the Swarnamayura Vahana, the golden peacock vehicle. Today evening we have Surasamharam at 6:30 p.m. So he is ready, all for war, going for war, to come back with victory. It is not actually vada, means destruction in a way. He conquers and brings those energies under his control to support him in his mission. It's one of the most beautiful scenes described in our Puranas. Let's receive Subramanya, Skanda, his grace, and then enter into satsang.
अतद्धूपः ॐ धूर्वसिदूर्वदूर्वन्तं धूर्वतय्योऽस्मान् धूर्वतितं धूर्वयं वयं दूर्वामस्त्यामि अथ दीपः ॐ उद्दीप्य स्वजातवेदोपग्निर्निरीतं मम पशुगुश्च मह्यमावह जीवनं च दिशो दिशा मानो हि गुंसि जातवेदो कामश्वं पुरुषं जगते अभिप्रदग्न आगहि श्रियामा परिपातय श्रीसुब्रह्मण्यस्वामिने नमो नमः एकाहारति दीपं सन्दर्शयामि
Subramanya is completion of Sadashiva in all his glory, in all his powers, in all his auspiciousness, in all his qualities, in all his compassion. Vedamata did not know how to sing the glory of Subramanya. She just chants 3 times, Subrammanyoham, 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 and bows down to Subramanya. Because she says, any other gods, I can sing the glory through my tongue, but Subramanya, my saliva cannot make his glory wet. It cannot be sung by any words. Absolute power, absolute knowledge, absolute consciousness, and ultimate, infinite, all the glories, possibilities, powers, and qualities of Sadashiva expresses itself completely in Subramanya. As I said, he is the Lord of victory. He is the Lord of victory. Today evening we will be having the Surasamhara. He is the Lord of the whole spiritual alchemy process. All the spiritual alchemy is happening absolutely with all the powers. He is getting ready for Sadashivoham. Today we have a long day, festivals, celebrations, rituals, everything. So Nityananda Yogam participants, get ready for Surasamhara Skandashashti Mahotsava. With more and more spiritual alchemy products getting ready, I'll be bringing it to all of you in further satsangs. Today with this, I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.